Hello everyone, Blessing here. Today, Success by Reputation presents amazing health benefits of garlic. Garlic is one of the common ingredients in your kitchen. It is a plant from the allium, that is onion family. It's been used in the ancient history like Egyptians, Chinese, Greeks, Babylonians, and Romans. The main use of garlic is for medicinal and health benefits. It has been taken to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. 1 clove, 3 grams of raw garlic contains magnesium, 2% of daily value, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium. Garlic is used as a flavoring in cooking. It complements most dishes, particularly soups and sauce. Garlic comes in different forms: cloves, smooth paste, powder. Garlic is used to cure cardiovascular health like high blood pressure, cholesterol in the blood, and skin infection. Egyptians buried the dead with garlic and is also used as a bug repellent. Hippocrates, Greek physician, said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine thy food." Number 1, garlic is good for cardiovascular health. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes are the world's biggest killers. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the most important drivers of these diseases. In people with high blood pressure, human studies have found garlic supplements to have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure. In a study, 600 to 1,500 milligrams of aged garlic extract was just as effective as the drug atenolol at reducing blood pressure over a 24 weeks period. The amount needed is equivalent to about 4 cloves of garlic per day. Supplement dose must be fairly high to have the desired effect. Number 2, garlic enhances cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. For those with high cholesterol, garlic supplements can reduce total cholesterol and bad cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Number 3, garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process. Garlic contains antioxidants that prevent against cell damage and aging. The combined effects on reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as the antioxidant properties, may reduce the risk of common brain diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Number 4, eating garlic helps to detoxify heavy metals in the body. The sulfur compounds in garlic has been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. Employees of a car battery plant where there is excessive exposure of lead, a 4-week study with garlic showed that garlic reduced lead levels in their blood by 19%. Number 5, garlic may help you live longer because of its health benefits to your blood pressure. Garlic fights infectious diseases. Studies show that people with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks had a 12% reduction in heartbeat rate and better exercise capacity. Also, garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. It was traditionally used in ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. It was given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. Disclaimer: if you have food allergies, a bleeding disorder, or you are taking blood thinning medications, talk to your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends.